Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do autofill in Google Sheets mobile. Alright guys, here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone and I have opened my spreadsheet as well. And we're going to practice how we can do autofill for this table. So for instance, I'm going to do autofill for this pass or fail column. So as you can see that there is a formula right here and I'm going to autofill this formula. So if we want to autofill, we can tap and hold on the column like this. We can tap and hold and drag it down. Then we can tap and hold on the column until this option appear on our screen. And since we want to autofill, we just need to click on autofill. Okay, and now the formula has been autofilled. And I'm going to give you another example. I'm going to do autofill for number column. So I'm going to put number right here. Then we're going to autofill. So just select the column like this. Then we can tap and hold on the column. Then just click on autofill. Alright guys, and that's how we can do autofill in Google Sheets mobile app. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.